I am typing using my hand. So stop typing out the long paragraph by your hand. Here is how you can use Windows 11 voice typing to write text with your voice instantly without any kind of app, because we have built-in app itself. So to open the app, you need to open the Notepad first, just like this. Just press Windows plus H key and it should show you like this, and you can see that it's already typing in, but I want to show you setting here. So on cogwheel or setting icon, click that. Make sure to check this automatic punctuation, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to put those commas or whatever. All right, and you can also check the profanity to avoid using some curse word. Make sure that you have selected your correct mic. So in my case, this is my Yeti stereo microphone. So make sure that you have choose the correct microphone, else the Windows will not listen to you. As you guys have set up this, now you can just speak. All right, let me enter this. And there is also the voice commands, like you can literally go backspace or clear a section, like entering, like a new paragraph, you can do that. So let me show you that. So this is the voice typing test, and I'm going to use enter. So press enter. You need to say exactly press enter. You can see that. Press enter. Backspace, backspace, backspace. So it is removing one by one character instead of word. Well, it's that it is. And you can use the backspace keyboard on your keyboard as well for easiness. Well, if you guys found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to keep your PC running fast and easy. Thanks so much for watching.